Recovering after a stroke, 67-year-old Romela Maxion, a Baguio City resident, had already suffered one stroke. She missed eating pork due to her diet, intended to prevent another stroke. One hot day,
Ano ba? Stacy, huwag yan! Ay, naku, ang init-init, Stacy. Huwag kang palikot. Stacy, stop! Stacy, ay, huwag niyo palikot, Stacy. Stop! Gail! Gail! Tama na, Stacy. Ano mo nga to si Stacy? Kasama mo nga muna sa labas kasi ang init-init na nga. Ang likot-likot niya!
What happened, Stacy?
Kasi mga partikol, nagugutom ako. Pero, sige, anuhin mo muna yung mga partikol, labahan mo mabuti. Isama ngayon si Stacy sa labas, please. Lumabas kayo. Yes, at gusto ko mabangong-mabango. Bilisan mo. Stacy, stop. Maraming salamat, Gail. Wala sila. Simula nang na-stroke ako habang wala si Gail. Salamat! Ako, napakasarap! Ano ginagawa mo dito? Wala akong ginawa na dito. Kanina naman sabi ko doon ka, di ba?
Nakapustiso ka.
Si Granny! Ate Gail! Natulog sa sahig si Granny na naman! Ate Gail! Granny sweet! Nakahiga na naman siya sa floor! Sorry! Granny! Ate Gail! Ate Gail! Granny sweet! Ate Gail! Ate Gail! Granny? Granny? Hello, Granny! Ate Gail! Granny! Sleeping!
What happened, Stacy? Ano yan? Saan wala mo?
Granny sweet! She has been through the... She ate pork! Pork? Poor Granny! She's sleeping! Mom, are you okay? Mom!
Mom, are you okay? Mom, this one is a Granny. Mom? Mom? Okay, no response, no pulse, no breathing. Dial 911 now. Start CPR.
Ate Gail, what are you doing to Granny?
I'm reviving your grandma, please, Stacy.
Thanks to Gail, Romela's caregiver, Romela survived a second stroke and was immediately brought to the hospital that day. She is now receiving appropriate treatment, including physical, occupational, and speech therapies to recover from the right-sided paralysis resulting from the stroke. Gail is always supportive of Romela's recovery.
nag-schedule naman po siya today for therapy niya for upper and lower extremities. Hi ma'am, good morning. My name is Irene, a therapist for today. Ma'am, dito po tayo schedule po kasi for therapy. Ma'am, please start na po, no? Tama po? Okay na. Sige po. Okay. Ma'am, nagdarating na po kita today, ma'am, ha? Hahawakan na po kita. So, sa number naman natin, ma'am. Ma'am, tanggalin ko lang po yung kumot. Papakita ko lang po kayo. So, hahawakan lang po natin. Support po dito.
Romela's therapy continues to show great improvement. She is now able to move more easily. The right-sided paralysis caused by the stroke is improving. Thanks to therapists, doctors, nurses, and especially her caregiver, Gail.
Hi, Doc. Good morning po. Morning. Hi, Doc. Mag-report lang po sana ako sa patient po natin, room 301, si Miss Maxon. Ayan po. Day 1 po niya, July 2. Scheduled po kasi siya for therapy. Stroke patient po siya, ma'am. Right side paralysis. Hirap po magsalita, hirap na mag-act mag-isa. Talagang need po niya ng assistant and need po ng 24 hours care. Meron naman po siya, Doc, na personal assistant or caregiver, namely Miss Gail. Ayan siya.
Okay. Sa patient na si Miss Maxon, anong therapy na naibigay o nagawa niya?
Doc, ang naibigay ko lang po is upper and lower extremities na exercises natin.
Okay. So, nice one. Tuloy-tuloy niya lang yon and make sure na yung sa personal na caregiver niya is na ituturo mo din ng maayos sa kanya para pag if ever na wala siya dito, at least na may tuloy-tuloy ng caregiver yung therapy ng pasyente natin.
Okay.
Gail ensures she prepares healthy foods to aid in stroke recovery and improve the patient's condition. They are strictly following a healthy diet for her patient. Regular visits to the therapy center allow patients to socialize and support one another, fostering hope.
Good morning! Hi, good morning, Miss Lochan. How are you?
Okay na po.
Nice. How about you, Miss Lator? How are you? What? Oh, Miss Gail, can you say it now? Hi.
Si Miss Lakar po, ma'am, madami na po siyang improvement. Kaya na po mag-exercise mag-isa. So, ina-assist ko lang po siya kung ano yung mga therapy na binigay ko. Para naman po kayo mamaksyon po, Doc. So far, so good naman po siya. Hindi niya na po kailangan ng 4 hours attending po. Kaya niya na rin po maglakad. And kaya niya na rin po kumain mag-isa. And good conversation na rin po kami.
Stroke is a serious condition, but lifestyle changes, including regular exercise, a healthy diet, and managing blood pressure and cholesterol, can significantly reduce the risk. Early intervention and ongoing support are crucial for recovery.